So this is a short video about how to work in groups and components. So number one, what is the difference? A group is any group that we make for defining one object. For example, this is one planter, so this is one group, this is one geometry, this can be one group. Now, what is a component? If I want to place this planter 10 times or even 3 times, I would rather make it a component than a group. I can make it first a group and then I will convert it into a component. Reason, if I change one planter's detail, for example, if I'm placing it thrice and I want that you detail this planter out and create a border for it. So I do not have to create planter again and then copy paste it 16 17 times again. Rather, if I actually detail this one planter out, the other planters will also be detailed later on when we add lighting to it. So if I have to add a linear light to it, I will add it in one planter and I know all my planters are lit now. So this just increases the efficiency. If you do not create components, what problem it will have is, if I create these planters and these are not components and I have to put one tile on it, I will be doing it 16 times for 16 instances. But if I have it as components, I do not have to do that again and again. But for components, for groups that do not repeat, we can just keep it as groups. Now, there is one more important thing. If you do not create these planters as components first, for example, I have a geometry, I have this new planter now, and I do not make it as a component, but I make it a group and then copy paste it 4 times and then make it a component. This is of no use because still I have to detail every group individually. If I'm making a change here, the other planters are not bothered. So whatever you repeat, you make it a component. Whatever you do not repeat, you can make it a group. For example, this flooring. This flooring is not being repeated anywhere, and I know that flooring is not gonna be repeated. So I'll just make it a group. I don't have to make it a component. Component actually decreases the geometry and the size of your file as well. Also, how it helps you in a model. For example, I have this model and I have made every chair a component. So for example, if I for today I decide that I don't want it to be in this fabric and I want all my chairs to be red on red. So what I'll do is I'll just go into the chair and change this fabric to red. And I do not waste time changing all my chairs, right? If I have to add a light, I will just go in the chair and add this light. If I have to remove my lighting, I will just go in the chair and remove this, right? There's another very important thing. Do not leave any rectangle, any line, anything anywhere. There should be no extra geometry. Every line should mean something, should belong to a flooring, a wall, a furniture piece, anything. It should belong. If it does not belong, please delete it. There should be no geometry outside any group. What does that mean is, if there's one rectangle also for flooring, please make it a group. There should be no independent geometries. Otherwise, if you move anything, there will be geometries moving here and there, and that will ruin your model.